Hello you guys and welcome back to FreeTechTV. Today we have another video for you. It is COVID season, but we are still making videos at home here, staying safe. Hope you guys are as well. Today we had an Amazon package arrive, another day, another Amazon box, feeling like Christmas. But we are going to take a look at, in my opinion, the best solar keyboard. So this keyboard is going to be, of course, from Amazon. This is going to be the Artech wireless keyboard, stainless steel, ultra slim, full-size keyboard with numeric keypad for computer, desk, PC, laptop, Surface, smart TV, and Windows. Built-in rechargeable battery, of course, being that solar just arrived. So let's take a look at it, you guys. And if you're new to this channel, I'd like to welcome you guys. Please subscribe. We have new tech videos coming for you every week. And like this video, without further ado, let's get into it and see what this keyboard is all about. So here is our Amazon box. Already sliced it open there. Get rid of the packaging. One thing that's really, look at this. The box inside the box fits literally perfectly. I never had an Amazon package came so perfectly fitted. So here it is, Artech Solar Keyboard. So this keyboard is 5-star rated actually on Amazon, and I can certainly recommend it to you guys as well. So we're certainly going to open it up. Voila. Get rid of that. And just like it says, it is very slim. It is actually pretty sturdy feeling as well. A little on the heavier side, but we can give that a premium build quality for that. It doesn't really feel cheap at all. Feels good in the hands. So right off the bat, it looks like we have a power button here, as well as our caps lock button, notification rather. And then we have a little bump here, which I'm assuming has the batteries. There is no access to the batteries in this keyboard. And here are our 6 panels for solar charging. So these solar panels can be charged with any lighting source, artificial or real light. So that's pretty neat. Setup is very easy. Looks like on the back here, we just have our little USB and an on and off switch. The USB looks like it has some type of a magnet that holds it in place there, so that won't come out. Long battery life, even in total darkness without any light at all, the full rechargeable battery will last for 6 months. So that's pretty impressive, you guys. Don't have to worry about any cables or any batteries. I like it already. And setup is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just take the little USB, plug it into your computer, and you are good to go. And when you turn it on, you will see that the power turns green there to let you know the keyboard's on, and then you can just simply turn it off as well. So very nice feeling keyboard. They did give you some extra function keys here, so it looks like we got some volume, play, skipping, as well as media control, brightness, browser, email, and search. So that is nice. They included a few extra functionalities within those function keys there. And this keyboard is going for $32.99 on Amazon, as we can see here. Hands there. But that's it, you guys. A quick video for you. The Artech Solar Keyboard. And being that we're all working from home or at home, if you're looking for a new keyboard, you might want to go with this one. Again, clutter-free, no cords, self-charging. Don't have to worry about buying batteries ever again. And you can use this on your TV or any really smart device that you have. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. Again, make sure to subscribe. New tech videos coming out every week. And with that, I'll see you guys on the next video.